Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set songs in Samsung Music Player as a phone ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. So first, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe up to go into app screen and tap on Samsung Music. Next, in Samsung Music, tap on the playlist and then tap on your playlist which has all the songs. Or you can simply tap on tracks, albums, or artists or folders. So it doesn't matter which one you choose as long as you can open up a song. Now in here you want on the song on the right hand side there is a more button. So you tap on more. From the pop-up menu you tap on set as. Okay, in the set as page, first you choose where the songs will begin from the beginning, or play selected highlights only. I'll play selected parts, so you can choose where the songs will begin, and then you can choose set as phone ringtone, and then tap on allowed, and then tap on done, and that's it. We now have set this friendly dance songs as a phone ringtone. Now we can try it out. So let's have a listen to the new incoming call ringtone sound, and that's it. That's how you can set the songs in Samsung Music Player as a phone ringtone sound. Now you can go down the track and set any songs that you like. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.